The fundamental of sales in 11 episodes. Episode 10: 11 Steps to be persistent in sales. Being persistent in sales is crucial for success. It means not giving up easily and continuing to pursue potential clients even in the face of rejection. However, being persistent doesn't mean being pushy or aggressive. It's about finding the right balance between being assertive and respectful. Here are 11 steps to help you be more persistent in sales. 1. Believe in your product or service. If you don't believe in what you're selling, it will be difficult to convince others to buy it. Make sure you truly believe in the value of your product or service. 2. Set goals. Setting specific, measurable goals can help you stay focused and motivated. Break down your sales goals into smaller, achievable steps and track your progress. 3. Develop a plan. Create a sales plan that outlines your target market, sales strategy, and tactics. Having a plan in place can help you stay organized and focused. 4. Research your prospects. Before reaching out to potential clients, do your research. Learn as much as you can about their business, industry, and pain points. This will help you tailor your sales pitch to their specific needs. 5. Be persistent but respectful. Persistence doesn't mean being pushy or aggressive. It's important to be respectful of your prospect's time and needs. Follow up consistently, but don't be a pest. 6. Use multiple channels. Don't rely on just one method of communication. Use a combination of phone calls, emails, social media, and in-person meetings to reach your prospects. 7. Personalize your approach. Generic sales pitches are easy to ignore. Personalize your approach by using the prospect's name, referencing their business, and speaking to their specific pain points. 8. Be prepared for objections. Anticipate common objections and have responses prepared. This will help you address any concerns your prospect may have and keep the conversation moving forward. 9. Keep a positive attitude. Rejection is a part of sales, but it's important to stay positive and focused. Don't take rejection personally and use it as an opportunity to learn and improve. 10. Follow up consistently. Follow up is key to closing sales. Make sure to follow up consistently and keep the conversation going. 11. Learn from your successes and failures. Every sales pitch is an opportunity to learn and improve. Take note of what works and what doesn't and adjust your approach accordingly. In conclusion, being persistent in sales is essential for success. It requires a combination of belief in your product or service, goal setting, planning, research, personalization, and a positive attitude. By following these 11 steps, you can become a more effective and persistent salesperson. To be continued. Go to the channel playlists. Episode 10 to 11 Steps to continuously improve in sales.